Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and wishing you all a very happy new year. May this upcoming year bring a lot of happiness and prosperity for all my lovely subscribers. I love you guys so much. So in this makeup look, I wanted to recreate something very festive and very glam. So I wanted to start off the year with a bang. If you're interested to know how I created this makeup look, please keep on watching. Also, if you're new to my channel, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and let's get started. To start off my makeup, I really like to moisturize my skin first because I've got dry skin. For that, I'm using the Indulgeo Rose Gold Essential Oil. And guys, this oil is really great if you have got really dry skin. It has got flecks of gold glitter in it and gives a very natural glow. For foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This gives a very nice full coverage foundation look to my face, which I really like because I've got very bad dark circles and acne marks. Although I feel like if you are very dry, you need to moisturize your skin very well. That's why I use the Indulgeo Rose Gold Oil. For blending out my foundation, I'm using the Wet n Wild flat top brush, and this helps in blending my foundation very easily. For concealer, I'm using the Lakme White Intense Concealer. Although the concealer is really nice, but the sad part is it is not available in so many shades. But yeah, since I got this concealer, I'm using it in this video. To blend out the concealer, I'm using these mini blenders by Miniso. I used them on my video once and I really love them. They are very small and really easy to blend out my under eye concealer. Now for setting off my base, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder under my eyes. And you want to make sure you're using a very small quantity of this powder. It is an amazing powder, but it has to be used sparingly, otherwise it can look very cakey. So I'm just using it wherever I applied concealer, and all over my face I'm using the same powder which was sitting on my face. For brows, I'm using the Brow Artist by Loreal, and this is a really nice brow pomade and very similar to Anastasia but a little less pigmented, although it is a very cheaper option if you're looking for a brow pomade. You can see the difference here, guys. I really love how it is. So for setting off my brow hair, I'm using the Wet n Wild Clear Mascara. You can use it on your eyelashes as well as on your brow hairs to set them. For bronzer, I'm using this Faces palette, and this is a very nice palette. I highly recommend to brides to be, because this has got shimmer in it, and the bronzer as well has got shimmer in it, which I really like. Although I feel like this is not that pigmented, but it is really easy to build up, and that is the best part about it. For blush as well, I'm using the same palette, and again the blush is also very shimmery, so you can even skip the highlighter if you don't like too much of highlighter. For contouring my nose, I'm using the Maybelline Master Contour Palette, and I'm using this very thin brush by Jessup to contour my nose. To start off my eye makeup, I'm first laying down some translucent powder to catch any fallout later on. First, I'm using my NYX Matte Bronzer. For that transition shade, you want to use a shade darker than your skin tone for any blending of darker eyeshadows. It is very easy to blend darker eyeshadows if you use some dark transition shade. Now for that black eye, I'm using my Morphe 39A palette. You can use whatever palette you have which contains a black color, and I'm using that black color with this flat brush, and I'm laying down on the lid, and I'm laying it down till the half of my eyelid, and I'm not blending it right now. Once I'm happy with the intensity, I will take a blending brush. This is by PAC Cosmetics, and I will take that brown shade. It is a little bit darker than the first shade I used, and now I will take my sweet time and blend out the black shade with the skin so that it looks very smooth. If you're not happy with the blend, you can always use a clean blending brush, and this way your eye look will look very neat and blended. Now I'm removing any fallout which it created. After that, I'm using this brown eyeliner. This is by Maybelline in my lower waterline, and later on I will blend out this eyeliner with the same brown shade I used in my crease. The brown gives a very softer look as opposed to black. For lashes, I'm using Ardell Natural 111, and for lips, I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie. I believe this is in the shade Seduction, and this is a perfect lipper, guys. It goes out with so many dark eye looks, and this is my favorite lipstick, and these are really comfortable to wear as well. To lock my makeup, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime, and this is in the Wedding Coconut. It smells really nice. Once it's semi-dry, I will take the highlighter from the Same Faces palette and I will use it on the top of my face, like my cheekbones, my nose, on my brow bone, and some on my forehead, not too much. This is a very buildable highlighter and gives a very natural glow as opposed to stark highlight, which I really like. It is awesome for someone who has got a lot of texture on their cheeks. Then I'm just patting off the highlighter with the beauty blender, and the look is completed, guys. So yes, guys, if you like this look and you want to recreate this look, please tag me on your Instagram. You can follow me on my social media. Everything will be listed in the description box below. So yes, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you want to see such more videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you get notified for my videos in the future. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.